In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add text to video in Adobe Express. Whether you're making social media content, a slideshow, or a presentation, adding text can be an effective way to communicate your message clearly. Let's dive right in and walk through the process together, step by step. First, you'll need to open Adobe Express. Navigate to the official Adobe website and make sure you're signed in to your account. If you don't have an account yet, you'll need to set one up to utilize all the features. Once you're in, you'll want to start a new project. Click on Create a New Project to begin. You'll be presented with several options. Select Video to proceed. Now, you have the choice to either upload your own video file or browse through Adobe stock for a suitable clip. This flexibility allows you to work with content you already have or find something new that suits your needs perfectly. Now, let's add some text to your video. On the left panel, you'll notice the Text option. Once you click on it, you'll see an Add Your Text button. Go ahead and type the text you want to appear in your video. Click directly on the text box to reposition or resize it so that it complements the visuals in your video perfectly. Now, let's talk about giving your text some personality by customizing its appearance. With your text box selected, look to the right panel, where you have several options at your fingertips. You can choose from a variety of fonts. Consider what style aligns with your video's tone. Adjust the size to ensure readability, and find a color that contrasts well with your video background. Alignment options allow you to set your text to the left, center, or right, depending on your preference. Additionally, don't forget about spacing. Modifying letter and line spacing can improve the overall aesthetics. For that extra flair, try applying effects such as shadows, outlines, or background shapes. Now, if you're feeling particularly creative, you might want to animate your text. Click on the text box, then look for the animation option in the right panel. Here, you can experiment with animation styles like fade, slide, or bounce to give your text dynamic entry and exit behavior. Timing is crucial when adding text to video. Click on the timeline at the bottom of the editor where you'll manage the text layer. By dragging the edges of the purple bar, you can adjust exactly when your text appears and fades out in the video, ensuring that it syncs well with the visuals. Once you've perfected your edits, it's time to preview and save your work. Click Play to watch your video with the added text and make any final adjustments as needed. When you're happy with the result, click Download to save your video, ready to share with the world. That's all there is to it.